everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a full detail wig install. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's by Alipearl, and this is their M hairline wig. So what that means is a lot of wigs, when you got them, the hairline kind of like just comes straight across, and then you have to like customize it so the hairline looks more realistic and more natural. And you guys know, if you guys watch my videos, I always talk about this. I naturally have a widow's peak, so personally I like to create a widow's peak on my wigs. And what I usually would do is I would pull out two pieces, well, not two pieces, but I would kind of like pull out some of the hair in the front. I'll insert a video here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I pull out pieces in the front to create more of a M hairline that kind of matches my hairline. So this wig comes with a M hairline, and I don't have to do that. Now the hairline on this one is a bit deeper than what I'm used to, but I'm sure there's people out there who have a deeper widow's peak than I do. So I'm just gonna show you guys quickly what the wig looks like. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing just so you guys can see everything that comes inside. Okay, so you have your edge brush here. And we also have HD wig caps. As you can see, I already have my wig cap on, and I did the ball cap method because I'm gonna be doing a glue install today. It's a 13x6 wig. So I have my wig cap on already. Okay, and we also have the Alipearl melting band as well. And you also have a satin bag to store your wig in as well. All right, so let us just get into this wig right now. This is what the wig is looking like. Do you see the hairline? Do you see what I'm talking about, you guys? So this is what the M hairline looks like. It has a very deep widow's peak. I love how the hair is already pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached to perfection. So I'm so happy that wig companies do that. Like, I don't have to bleach the knots anymore, and I barely have to do any tweezing, so I'm all here for that. So yeah, this is how it is looking, and this is HD lace, as you can see. I just want to put that against my skin just so you guys can see the lace. Super thin, fine HD lace. I love that. It's going to melt down really nicely. There's that M hairline. Gorgeous. Love it. This is how the lace is looking. See, it's nicely bleached already. And this is a 13x6 frontal as well. So it's 6 inches deep, 13 width. Love that. Amazing. So this is very versatile. If you want to do a center part, you can do that. If you want to do a side part, you can definitely do that. You guys know I love me a side part, but for this video I'm going to keep it in a center part just so you guys can see the M hairline, how it's looking. She is 26 inches straight hair. And also you have the elastic band as well, which is a must because this is how I'm going to adjust the wig to fit my head. So we also have the elastic bands on the back as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to adjust this first, but I don't have to do this with this wig. Everything is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Hairline is already done for me. So all I have to do is literally put this wig on and glue it on. So that is what I'm going to do. Whew. Oh, you're seeing that. I know it's a little low right now, and I gotta pull it up. I put fake moles on today on my face. I don't know why. I was just in the mood for that. And it's about to come off. No. Okay, I love how clean the part looks. It is super clean, and I'm loving that. Now, I do think I could go up just a tad bit. I don't have a whole lot of forehead space, you guys. So like this is where my hairline is, and this, you can see my widow's peak. It's, the cap is not really covering it very well. Okay, so this is how she is looking, and she looks great. I'm here for it. Meet my boy Leo. This is Mr. Leo. He's a crier. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip this hair out of the way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and part this area. Now, some of this video will be in voiceover mode because I'm one of those people that I cannot multitask. I mean, I can't talk and cut and do all this stuff. Like, okay, I think my ear is right about there. And it is best to part it before you cut it, or else the hair, you're gonna be cutting through the hair and it's just not gonna look good. So just part it. And that is perfect. Perfection. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I will just I'll just speed this part out. Now, as you can see, that M goes really deep on my forehead, and I think it's just a little too deep for me. So I'm actually gonna take out just a little bit of that, like probably like that much, because it's just a little too deep, and I don't have a lot of forehead space. If you have a lot of forehead space, you can leave it as is, but I'm just gonna take that much out, and I'm just literally gonna pull it out just like that. And to me, that looks so much better on me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue. This is the glue that I'm using. You guys are used to seeing the pink bottle. This is actually a sample package. So this glue is by yours truly. So that's the glue I'm gonna be using today. And I'm gonna go ahead and just lift that up. Now I already cleaned my forehead and took off the makeup, because you really don't wanna put your wig down when there's like makeup on your forehead. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just spread that out like butter. Do you see how fast that dries? Like super fast. Like it is drying super fast. Now I'm gonna be using 2 layers of glue. You can use a bit more if you want to, depends how long you plan on wearing this wig. I'm probably gonna wear it for a few days, so I'm gonna just do 2 layers of glue. Okay, so she is dry, and I'm gonna go back in with a second layer. As you can see, I didn't add any glue here as yet. I'm just gonna wait. I don't like to do it all the way around. I know some people prefer to do it like that, but I kind of like doing it like this. And again, you want to wait until that dries clear before you pull it down, because if you do not wait, it's gonna look not so hot when you put the wig down, because all you're gonna see is this white stuff, and you don't want to see that when you put your wig down. So wait and let it dry clear. Okay, so it's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull that down. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it down. Okay, so now you can go in with your blow dryer on the cool setting and just melt this down. Okay, so what I need to do next is just glue down this section right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some glue. And again, you're gonna use 2 layers of glue. I should say I'm gonna add 2 layers of glue. You guys can do whatever you prefer to do. No, don't touch my lace. Okay, so now that it's all glued down, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my melting band, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. We're gonna be doing the double melt method. So glue it down, melt it, cut the lace, and then melt it again. She looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and cut away the extra lace. All right, we're gonna move on with the second melt, and we're gonna use the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and I'm just gonna apply it to the lace so it can look seamless. I'm just gonna spray this onto my finger and just tap a little bit of that onto the lace. So not a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that melting band back on. And I'm gonna leave that on for a few minutes. While my wig is melting, I'm gonna go in with some wax stick. And this one is NSTE hair wax stick. I don't know. I got it off Amazon. It works just as good as all the other ones I've used. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of that on there, because we wanna flatten down this wig. We wanna go in with our hot comb. Just flatten that down. So yeah, this is pretty much a completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this as well. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I love this. I love it. I love it. And you guys, yeah, I'm so here for this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I hope you guys learned something from this. And I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.